There may be times when you're viewing a photo in Lightroom and you need to either access that photo from within the folder in Lightroom or in the folder on your computer. Now in this case, I have a photo selected and I'm inside of a collection, so I'm not actually inside of the folder where this photograph is located. But let's say I needed to go to that folder because I'm either looking for another image that's similar or for whatever reason I need to go back to that folder in the Lightroom library. I do that by right-clicking and selecting Go to Folder in Library. The folder is opened on the left in the Folders panel, and I can scroll around and see some of the other images alongside it. Now let's say I need to access this photograph in my computer and not inside of the Lightroom catalog. To do this, I would just right-click again and select Show in Finder, or on a PC, Show in Explorer. A folder will pop up and it will show me that photograph along with all of the other photographs in that folder.